Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Fakhruddin Pishauri, and you are watching our YouTube channel Noon Islamic Center. In today's lesson, we are going to start our new lesson, the lesson number 10. In this lesson, inshallah, we will make exercise on all those lessons which we read in our previous lessons, like the movement, standing fatha, kasra and dhamma, the madda letters, lean letters, and tanween letters. We will practice on those all lessons which we read before in this one lesson, inshallah. So I'm reading and you will read after me and then make practice. So I am reading for you and you will repeat after me. The first one is Hamza, and Hamza have standing fatha. So we will read Hamza standing fatha a. The second one is Mim, Mim fatha ma. And the third one is Noon, Noon fatha na. Amana, Amana. The second one is Hamza standing fatha a. Waw standing fatha wa. Awa. And yeah, didn't have any movement, so we didn't read it, okay? Hamza standing fatha a. Waw standing fatha wa. Awa. The third one is Hamza standing fatha a. Noon kasrani. Ani. Ya fatha ya. Aniya. Ta double kasratin. Aniyatin. Aniyatin. Hamza standing kasra'i. Lam standing fatha la. Ila. Fa kasrafi. Ilafi. Ilafi. Now this one. Hamza ya fatha ay. Noon fatha na. Aina. Hamza ya fatha ay. Noon fatha na. Aina. Now the second line. Ba kasra bi. Ha standing kasra hi. Bihi. Jim alif mad fatha ja. Hamza fatha a. Jaa. Jaa. Jim alif mad standing kasra ji. Hamza fatha a. Ji'a. Jim alif mad standing kasra ji. Hamza fatha a. Ji'a. Jim waw dhamma ju. Ain double kasra in. Ju'in. Jim waw dhamma ju. Ain double kasra in. Ju'in. Kha waw fatha khaw. Fa double kasra fin. Khawfin. Kha waw fatha khaw. Fa double kasra fin. Khawfin. Kha ya fatha khay. Ra double dhammarun. Khairun. Kha ya fatha khay. Ra double dhammarun. Khairun. Dal standing fatha da. Waw standing dhamma wu. Dawu. Dal dhamma du. Dawudu. Now read again. Dal standing fatha da. Waw standing dhamma wu. Dawu. Dal dhamma du. Dawudu. Zal standing fatha za. Lam kasra li. Zali. Kaf fatha ka. Zalika. Read again. Zal standing fatha za. Lam kasra li. Zali. Kaf fatha ka. Zalika. Ra fatha ra. Zad waw dhamma zu. رضو. را فتحة را. ضاد واو ضمة ضو. رضو. Now the last one. شين ألف مد فتحة شاء. همزة فتحة شاء. شين ألف مد فتحة شاء. همزة فتحة شاء. Now one time we are reading only the full words. آمن. آمن. آوى. آوى. آنية. آنية. إيلاف. إيلاف. أين. أين. به. به. جاء. جاء. جيء. جيء. جوع. جوع. خوف. خوف. خير. خير. داوود. داوود. ذلك. ذلك. رضوا. رضوا. شاء. شاء. Okay, so it's enough for today. And the other part of this lesson we will read in next, inshallah. Thank you. Thank for watching. Jazakallah.
Noon Islamic Center presents Quran Reading Course, Tafsirul Quran, Noorani Qaida, Prayer in the Light of Quran and Sunnah, Tajweedul Quran Course, Basic Arabic Language Course, Teachings of the Holy Quran, Advanced Arabic Language, and much more fundamental courses. Register us now.